TJ, need you, kid. No, it wasn't yours, guy. It wasn't yours. You're all right.
Let's go. Hit the ball.
You got it. You got it. If you want it, take it, bud. Here you go. He's going to pitch you outside, bud. Make sure you can read that outside corner, bud.
No.
Yeah. Come on, TJ. Be aggressive, baby. If it's good, take it. Good eye.
Let's go. 31 here, kid.
You got it. It's 3-1, baby. You're all right. Got room to be a little choosy. Come on. Get it. Full swings. You got it. Here we go. If it's good, take it.
Teach.